Azi kilulen riame ram and gulong zai is liang rong idol ge good sabam loge rakan gya bepnai nang noi ko support ib segine nimai final ge I hang chang zala mui dele zai teti bigen nang noi support te mi ga za final I hang chang le gum se nimai final gi do support te mi ga de rang ge nang noi sai kem ga dele aguling ge gilu za full video pi ga zai like te ga lo zai nimai nang noi te ga nim zen so mai pi mi ki ba ngo sing le ben dele
description ke lu za click te lo kan zai be click te zai na chi ga ko video pa ko le video pa zai na video kan ga like bam de ni ma lo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fresh Talk. This is my first time for the year 2020-21 to go to church. So here I am getting ready for the church. So here we go. This year it's already completed January. So if anyone know the reason why I'm not going to church, so comment in the comment section. If you are capable to answer this question, then I'm going to tell you something secret. Sister Didi is coming. Here is Mr. Alde. He is my close friend and right now he is assistant professor of Dom College or University. So if anyone willing to know about him, you can just comment in the comment section. We have an interview about his success. We are moving on for church. Now the Nguljalhun ka Synod guest house. So that one is his sister. In last video you see her in the quarantine video. She is an actress of this quarantine life. Kizu lago.
Sports Association of India.
Oh, primo. So finally we have reached Synod guest house. Today actually we have planned to have a combined fellowship which is going to be led by Synod PYF.
Hindi may be half-long Hindi, not the local dialect but the origin dialect. So at this, I like to request each and everyone, those who could not understand or those who may not understand the half-long Hindi, you may ask me later after the worship service. So इसलिए आज तो हम लोग कभी-कभी हिंदी बोलेगा, हिंदी भी ये पक्का हिंदी नहीं बोलेगा, कच्चा हिंदी, हाफ-लोंग हिंदी से हम लोग बोलेगा। आज जितना भी आज आया है और हम लोग कभी भी ये प्रोग्राम जिंदगी में बोलेगा।
To your holy name, bringing us in this joint fellowship, Father Lord.
On behalf of Hrangkhol Christian Fellowship, Guwahati. There's nothing as much, but a few announcement like Hrangkhol Christian Fellowship we have established in the year 2018, 13th of February. Till now we have completed 13 years, a glorious 13 years. And indeed our first secretary was Kelvin Balansang. He is the present secretary of CHT Synod.
Welcome each and everyone there. Joint fellowship. And we thank the CHT Synod for conducting this.
Thanks our Lord for giving us this a good opportunity to come together and to worship
reach here after finishing our fellowship here. God bless.
Every Sunday we worship here at 1, and if you have any time or if you want to come and worship with us, please feel free to always come and join us. We would like to welcome you.
The reason why we initiated this program is in order to strengthen the PYF members of CHT Synod and to bring brotherhood in Christ. Reverend Lalman Song Firing, leader PYF, assistant leader of the PYF. Thank you. Mr. Bharat Zeme, he is the finance secretary of the PYF CHT Synod. Thank you. Lalro Piaga Haunar, he is the central committee member, the CCM of PYF CHT Synod. I myself, Hrangkhol, the secretary of PYF.
Verse from John chapter 6 verse 35. हम सभी के साथ हैं, इसलिए मैं फिर से परमेश्वर को धन्यवाद करता हूँ, खुदा की तारीफ करता हूँ. And I take this time and this opportunity to thank all the concerned person and all the members of the Presbyterian Youth Fellowship. I would say for giving me such a privilege to share from the word of our living God. And as we know that today is a special occasion for all of us, rather on a specious occasion because this is the first ever joint fellowship organized by our Synod. And हमारा theme होगा, sermon का theme होगा, breath of life. और अगर हम इसको हिंदी में अगर ट्रांसलेट करें तो आज का हमारा विषय होगा जीवन की.
Oh Lord, I know you hear my cry. Your love is lifting me above all the light. No matter what I face, I know in time you take all that is wrong and make it right. You take all that is wrong and make it right.
Right now we are back from church. So the location of the church is in Paltan Bazar. Back to home. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do comment and share with your close one. Bye bye. Take care.